Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best RV battery monitors on Amazon. RV battery monitors provide real-time insights into battery health and usage, ensuring optimal power management and enhancing the RV experience. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Drox 0 to 100V Digital Battery Monitor. If you're looking for a practical option, Drox 0 to 100V Digital Battery Monitor needs to be on your shortlist. It earned this status by working with several instruments and battery types, with a max power rating of 10 to 100 volts. Most buyers find it works best with lead-acid batteries, but it has shown effective results with NiMH, phosphate-based, lithium-ion, and lithium batteries. It shouldn't be too much of a problem to forecast and measure the capacity or voltage of these battery types. As for agreeable instruments, this battery monitor is capable of functioning with portable devices, robots, electric motorcycles, golf carts, and similar appliances. It ends up offering practicality that many other models can't seem to match. The protective shell isn't too bulky or heavy, either. Therefore, it makes the installation process a lot less of a hassle due to its maneuverability. Number 2. Renogy 500A Battery Monitor. This battery monitor made our list by being one of the more accurate battery capacity monitor systems available. After all, its shunt-type design offers an accuracy margin of 1% to ensure impressive and reliable performance. I haven't had a single issue with its results since installing this device inside my rig. Its exceptional versatility will ensure many rig owners can benefit from its usage. Renogy built this device to be compatible with almost every battery type, ranging from lead-acid to lithium-ion. In other words, it won't have difficulty working as a deep-cycle battery monitor and a lithium battery monitoring system. This flexibility makes the product a rather hard one to beat when comparing its practicality with other models. Number 3. Victron Battery Monitor. One of the most advanced models available would have to be Victron's battery monitor. This RV battery meter comes with built-in Bluetooth communication, which has become a massive hit with customers. It's a popular feature because it allows a user to monitor their rig's batteries using smartphones, laptops, tablets, or other devices. Due to this, the use of this battery monitor becomes much more user-friendly. The product's user-friendliness only increases with its other features, such as its easy programming process. It features an easy-to-use install menu to ensure the task goes off without a hitch. I couldn't tell you how much more manageable this aspect made my life when using the device. This 12-volt battery meter even comes with an additional input, which can be used to keep track of a second battery's voltage, temperature, or midpoint voltage. It's a fully equipped monitor ready to ensure your rig's batteries are always in top shape. Number 4. Ansell Bluetooth Battery Monitor. This battery monitor is another solid choice for anyone wanting a 12V BMS device. This particular one will accurately measure charging status, voltage, cranking, and trip recording. Users can track these measurements using an app on their handheld devices, including smartphones and tablets. This fantastic benefit is made possible through the device's usage of Bluetooth communication and real-time notifications. It will also provide these measurements without using much power from your rig's battery. As a result, more energy will be available for other devices and appliances in your RV. Its presence will make things much more relaxed when going on new adventures. Customers should love this product's reverse polarity protection and usage of fireproof materials. These two aspects will ensure nothing bad happens when using the device. You can sleep safe and sound, knowing that this product won't malfunction and cause issues. Number 5. Drox DC 0 to 300V Battery Monitor. This battery monitor comes with many features capable of making your life more comfortable on the road. An excellent example would be its ability to provide reliable measurements, which have a sizable impact on your battery's effectiveness. These measurements include percentage of remaining capacity, DC voltage, DC positive-negative power, DC positive-negative bidirectional current, and a few others. Each of them will have an irreplaceable impact on extending your battery's longevity. The device's alarming function is another appealing trait. It'll sound an alarm and flash whenever the real voltage is lower or higher than the preset alarming voltage. Moreover, this feature activates when the device's remaining battery capacity is low. Its versatility extends to the number of roles it can serve as well. This device can be used as an effective digital voltmeter, power meter, DC amp meter, and battery capacity monitor. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.